I see you found me. This is my bike check. I'm James from Motel BMX, and here we go.
Go.
Oh, hey there. My handlebars are chrome rant sway bars, and grips are black ODI Super Softs. They're a little wet, so they move. See, just kind of pull those out, push them back in, and do that. Stem is a stock stolen stem with some different random bolts that I found somewhere in my garage. Came off of a stolen casino that I used to have. Deco fork bolt that I got from my friend Aiden, who's also on this channel. Colony valve cap from yours truly, the cameraman Blake. And headset came off a stolen casino. Forks, Mission Circuit V2s. Random front rim, I don't know. I'm getting a new hub and stuff, that's just a spare. Demolition Momentum tire, thank you. Hello, and this is part 3 of my bike check. I have a Salt Pitch Slick back tire, random framed and/or Haro back rim, love it, heavy, got it for like 15 bucks off my friend. Haro, whatever, Quando framed, I don't know, whatever that is, hub, Odyssey Bluebird chain, love it. Rant Bang & 8 cranks, love them. And some cross-threaded kink hemlock pedals that I've had forever that I put on this bike and now I can't get them off because they're stuck. Love them. They aren't bad, but they aren't good either, in my opinion. And Show Conspiracy Scream Sprocket, stolen Thermalite, whatever it is, seat post. And a Sabrosa The Come Up seat. Love it. And last but not least, my frame is a Sabrosa, S&M Dagger frame. And, sorry I said Sabrosa, it's S&M Dagger frame. I love it so much. Sorry about that. And that's a wrap, folks. Ah!